Hi, I'm Jordan and today we're going to be taking a look at the Chicago Pneumatic CP8818 electric impact driver.
The impact driver is available in a kit form, and this consists of the impact driver itself along with a battery charger and a spare battery. The impact driver operates via a 12 volt lithium ion battery with very quick charging times. The impact driver features a rubber moulded grip with a variable speed trigger and LED lighting. The 1/4 inch quick change bit holder allows the user to quickly remove and refit the bits depending on the task that is being carried out. The impact driver is ultra compact, allowing the operator to use this tool in confined areas. The powerful motor has a 115 Nm torque rating. This allows for quick and easy strip and fit tasks. The Chicago Pneumatic CP8818 impact driver, the perfect tool for both mechanical and auto body shops.